Hi dear audiences, this video about what is AI and how to use AI artificial intelligence for high productivity in our daily lives, and where AI artificial intelligence is taking humanity by the end of this century. This video includes following segments, and you may advance to the segment of your choice. Number 1. Introduction and types of AI artificial intelligence. Number 2. 20 benefits of AI artificial intelligence, with prompt examples. Number 3. Where AI artificial intelligence is taking the humanity by the end of this century. Number 4. Pros and cons of the AI artificial intelligence. Please subscribe, like and share. We can't understand why some people are afraid to subscribe, while it's free and no charge or effect on you whatsoever. And it makes big difference to bring more know-how for you. So smash that subscribe and like button. Thanks. Now let's get back to the intro of the subject matter of artificial intelligence. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. AI systems process large amounts of data, identify patterns, and make decisions or predictions based on that information. AI operates using techniques like machine learning, where systems improve their performance over time through experience AI deep learning, which uses neural networks to mimic the human brain. There are three main types of AI artificial intelligence: narrow AI, specialized in specific tasks, like voice assistants and facial recognition; general AI, hypothetical AI with human-level intelligence across different tasks; and super intelligence, AI artificial intelligence that will surpasses human intelligence in future and coming soon. AI powers applications like autonomous cars, recommendation systems, fraud detection, language translation, and even creative tools that generate text and images, such as text, music, images, and code, by learning from existing data. In short, AI artificial intelligence is transforming industries and our daily lives by enabling machines to perform complex tasks, adapt to new information, and create new possibilities. Here's a list of widely recognized and legitimate chatbots along with a brief description of each. These chatbots are developed by reputable organizations and are widely used in various applications, from personal assistance and customer service to creative and business solutions. Number 1. ChatGPT by OpenAI, a conversational AI known for its ability to generate detailed, context-aware responses across a broad range of topics. Number 2. Bing Chat by Microsoft, is integrated with Microsoft's Bing search engine. It combines conversational capabilities with real-time search insights. Number 3. Google Bard, Google's AI chatbot built on conversational models, designed to provide creative and informative responses. Number 4. Claude, Anthropic, an AI chatbot developed by Anthropic that emphasizes safe and ethical conversation while delivering detailed answers. Number 5. IBM Watson Assistant, a versatile AI platform used to build chatbots for customer support and business automation, known for its enterprise-grade solutions. Number 6. Replica, a personal companion chatbot that engages in casual conversation and offers emotional support. Number 7. Cookie, an award-winning chatbot recognized for its engaging and human-like conversational style. And of course, there are many more similar apps out there. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share and spread the goodness in the world. Thanks. Next is an explanation of the 20 benefits with prompt examples for you. Also, please read up a book on how to ask AI chatbots questions or prompts. Questions or prompts must be targeted for proper accurate output, or garbage in will be garbage out. Prompts for AI has now become a new discipline, also known as prompt engineering. Okay, here is explanation of the 20 benefits with prompt examples. Number 1. Personal writing such as text generation and creative writing. Write stories, poems, and dialogues etc. Generate jokes, scripts, and song lyrics. Ask for images, videos and lot more. Examples such as write a short story about a robot learning to love. Write a business plan for me for specific business. Give me 5 business name ideas for a coffee shop. Write a business plan for me for specific business. Number 2. Professional writing such as draft emails, reports, proposals, and business plans. Create social media posts, blog content, and marketing copy. Example. Write a formal email requesting for time off. Number 3. Technical writing. Write product descriptions, user manuals, and documentation. Explains complex concepts in simple terms. Information retrieval and summarization example. Explain quantum computing in simple terms. Number 4. Questions and answer. Provide factual information based on general knowledge. Explain historical events, scientific facts, or cultural topics. Example. What are the causes of climate change? Number 5. Summarize text. Summarize articles, reports, or books. Create bullet point summaries of lengthy content. Example. Summarize the plot of Pride and Prejudice. Number 6. Code generation. Generate code snippets in various programming languages, Python, Java, JavaScript, etc. Create algorithms and solve coding problems. Example. Write a Python function to reverse a string. Number 7. Code debugging. Identify errors in code and suggest fixes. Explain what specific lines of code are doing. Example. Why is this Python code returning an error? Number 8. Translations. Language translation and grammar correction. Translate text between different languages. Example. Translate, "How are you?" into French. Number 9. Proofreading for correct grammar and style. Proofread text for grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors. Improve sentence structure and tone. Example. Correct the grammar in this sentence. She go to the store yesterday. Number 10. Analyze data. Data analysis and mathematical problem solving. Interpret and explain data patterns and trends. Perform basic data manipulation and analysis. Example. Explain the correlation between income and education level. Other benefits include: Number 11. Solve math problems. Number 12. Personal assistant for task planning. Number 13. Recommendations. Number 14. Conversational and social interactions. Number 15. Role playing. Number 16. Research and learning. Number 17. Help with studying. Number 18. Creative and artistic tasks. Number 19. Create music and lyrics. Number 20. Simulation and prediction. Now let's look at where AI artificial intelligence is taking humanity by the end of this century, according to Professor John Lennox, author of 2084, Artificial Intelligence and the Future of Humanity and former head of the Mathematics Department at Oxford University. Artificial intelligence, AI, and information technology, or IT, are increasingly influencing every aspect of our daily lives. These advancements impact various sectors, including healthcare, autonomous vehicles, the military, manufacturing, energy, banking, and insurance. For instance, China is advancing towards a fully digital surveillance system, employing 360-degree cameras to monitor individuals' business and personal lives. These cameras track facial expressions, emotions, demeanor, and behaviors in real time. The goal of this system is to reward high performers with better career, business, and living opportunities, while those deemed non-compliant may face social justice penalties, including lower credit scores, restricted opportunities, and even confinement in designated areas or rehabilitation centers. This initiative aims to create a world free from evil, envisioning a future where AI, guided by divine principles, leads humanity toward eternal peace. Although currently a pilot project, it is expected to become a global reality in the near future, demonstrating the principle of cause and effect in action. This concept bears a striking resemblance to Sir Isaac Newton's biblical research, particularly his studies on the prophecies of Prophet Daniel and the Book of Revelation. Newton attempted to calculate the timing of the Messiah's arrival, foreseeing a future where evil would be eradicated, paving the way for God to join humanity in a peaceful paradise on earth, lasting forever. Now here are the pros and cons of artificial intelligence. Efficiency and automation. AI can handle repetitive tasks faster and more accurately than humans. 24/7 availability. Unlike humans, AI systems don't need breaks, sleep, or vacations. Data handling and analysis. AI can process massive amounts of data quickly, spotting trends or patterns humans might miss. Precision and accuracy. In fields like healthcare or engineering, AI can assist with tasks requiring high precision, e.g., robotic surgery, quality control, personalization. AI powers recommendation engines, personalized ads, and user experiences, like Netflix or Spotify suggestions. Innovation. Helps in research, simulations, and problem solving, e.g., drug discovery, climate modeling. Cons. Job displacement. Automation could replace many human jobs, especially in repetitive or manual roles. Bias and fairness issues. AI can reflect or amplify biases in the data it's trained on, leading to unfair outcomes. Privacy concerns. AI systems often rely on massive data collection, raising privacy and surveillance issues. Security risks. AI can be misused, deepfakes, autonomous weapons, cyber attacks, etc. Cost. Developing and maintaining AI systems can be expensive and resource-intensive. Lack of creativity and empathy. AI lacks true human understanding, emotion, and moral judgment. We will keep bringing more knowledge to you on how to use AI for personal and business startup applications. Thanks for your time and see ya soon. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, so that we can bring more powerful know-how for you. It's free at no cost to you whatsoever. So let's spread the goodness for mankind. Best luck and happiness. Have a healthy, wealthy and peaceful life. And thanks once again.